Love, happy birthday. Lagi lang kami nandito ng mga kuya mo susuporta sa'yo. Huwag kang mahihiya, nakausapin kami lagi. Kung may problema ka, tsaka kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Sandy. Ang wish ko lang sa inyo, Apo, mag-aral ka mabuti. Pagkatapos, sana hindi maano yung pinaggalang na sa akin bilang lola.
Wish ko sa'yo, anak, na makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Siyempre, unang-una sa lahat, yun lang i-priority mo muna. Tapos, bawal mo na mag-boyfriend. Manatiling mabait. Magpakatatag lagi. Katulad ko. Love you! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sandy. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Lagi kami nandito ng mga kuya mo.
Hi, Kikay, Sandy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ria. We love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Sandy. Wish ko sa'yo is, kagaya lang ng wish nila mama, nila papa, matapos ka pag-aaral, and matupad mo lahat ng gusto mo. Yan lang. Happy birthday.
You're like the only thing that I see. It's crystal clear and I want you to come claim it.
Hi, Aya. Happy birthday. So, sorry kung kulang kami, pero we wish you the best.
Yes. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sandy! We love you!
Happy birthday, Sandy!
Need your hands all up on my body.
Hi, Sandy. happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday actually. I wish you all the best. Lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay, gawin mo lang. At huwag kang makakalimot lagi mag-pray. At yung respect mo sa mother and father at sa mga lola at lola mo. Yun lang. And kung magkaka-boyfriend ka, sana yung mas pogi sa kuya mo. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Sandy! We love you!
Happy birthday, Sandy! We love you!
I want you to come claim it. I do. I do. You to come name it. I do. This sounds to me, but I don't mind at all.
Nak, happy 18th birthday. Magpakabait ka lagi. God bless always. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come.